Hi, in front of me is Realme 8 and today I would like to show you how you can access easy mode on this device. First of all, go into settings and tap on home screen, lock screen and always on display. Then you need to tap on home screen mode, scroll down a bit and tap on the simple mode over here. Lastly, click apply and switch. So now, as you can see, easy mode was successfully applied. But if you wish to go back into the normal one, you can always click on settings again, scroll down, choose home screen, lock screen and always on display, go into home screen mode and pick any other option, for example standard one. When you're done, remember to click apply and switch. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!